చూద్దాం రాజ్యసభలో వివాదాస్పద వ్యవసాయ బిల్లులపై చర్చ జరుగుతోంది. టీఆర్ఎస్ పార్టీ ఈ బిల్లులు చరిత్ర సృష్టించేవి కాదని, రైతుల స్వేచ్ఛను హరించేవని మండిపడింది. బిల్లును వ్యతిరేకిస్తున్నట్లు ప్రకటించింది. అయితే వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్టీ మాత్రం బిల్లుకు మద్దతు ప్రకటించింది. కాంట్రాక్టు ఫార్మింగ్ తో రైతులకు మేలే జరుగుతుందని వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ ఎంపీ విజయసాయిరెడ్డి అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు.
Sir, the previous framework, I am showing my hand towards this side. The previous framework left the farmers at the mercy of the middlemen, that is dalals, who wanted to increase their own margins. Now, there are some positive aspects in this bill. Sir, a farmer who toils day and night in his fields faces two problems. Problem number one is whether he shall be able to get the right price for his produce. Number two, whether he will be able to sell at a reasonable rate. At what rate? These two problems farmer is facing. Sir, by allowing contract farming, the farmer is assured of the sale price for his produce at a predetermined price. This is one advantage. And the risk therefore is transferred from the farmer to the buyer. Sir, secondly, the bill free farmers from the coercion of the licensed middlemen. As the farmers could till now sell only to the licensed middlemen, and the middlemen found it easy to farm cattle and these markets and offer low prices to the farmers, this will be prevented by passing this bill. Sir, this ends the monopoly of APMC system. A farmer in the market area is compelled by law to sell his own produce in the designated APMC market, and he is prohibited from going even to the next APMC in the next district, even though it is much nearer to the farmer. Sir, this can be avoided by passing this bill. Sir, and there are some concerns also because of the paucity of time I am not bringing it to your notice, but the one important issue which I would like to bring it to your notice is this bill does not cover the tobacco. Why? Clause 2 of the farmers' assurances defines farming produce to include all the foodstuffs, edible oil, cotton, poultry products, but leaves out tobacco. And I request the Honourable Minister that this can be included, and there is nothing wrong in allowing the contract farming even in the case of tobacco for export purposes, sir. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh, YSR, 2 more minutes. In YSR Congress, R stands for Raitu, that is farmer.
While somebody can sell his pen because he is a producer, the producer here has to depend on the dictates of the creditor. Sir, whatever it is, before I speak on the subject, let me refer to what the minister has said. The minister says it is a historic bill. Why historic? It is a revolutionary bill. You have changed the very character of this country. The cultural country, a country whose culture is agriculture, is now being sold to corporate. So corporate, you have made the agriculture country into a corporate country. Now that is a revolutionary thing. You have not only brought the historic here. Sir, you are saying the freedom to sell is given to the farmer. The freedom to sell is given. Freedom to fix the price, as Alangovan said, is not given to us. Please understand the conditions, the realities of the farmer in this country. For centuries, he has been still saying, Sir, Sarkar, Dora and what not. And you think that he will go and sit in equal terms and have a same level of playing as far as the corporators are concerned when they are fixing up? This is only because I want to tell you. As far as Yadavji says, new age aggregated bill. If this is the new age, we are against this new age at all. Because the rich versus poor has never been new. It has been as old as the tradition itself. So now you are putting the poor farmer pitting against the rich corporate. Sir, whatever it is, one thing I would like to say, it is very ironical The government has set out to kill the proverbial golden goose. Agriculture is the only sector that met the pandemic, as in the April-June quarter. The GDP shrank to 223.9 and in the general terms, but agriculture remained. Today in Andhra Pradesh, our production is 1.11 crore metric tons. Now this is how the agriculture is being supported by the state governments. We are elected by the people as you think that you have been done, so that we have a right to bring the bill. Yes. If you think you have a right to bring the bill because you have been elected, so are we. And Constitution says this subject, particularly in agriculture, belongs to us, not to you.
కేంద్రం తీసుకొచ్చిన వ్యవసాయ రంగ బిల్లులో మొదటిది వ్యవసాయ మార్కెట్ బిల్లు. దీనికే రైతు ఉత్పత్తుల వ్యాపారం ప్రోత్సాహకం వెసులుబాటు బిల్లు అని పేరు పెట్టింది. ఈ బిల్లుతో రైతులు తాము పండించిన పంటను రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాలు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన వ్యవసాయ మార్కెట్ కేంద్రాల్లోనే అమ్ముకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదు. దేశంలో ఎక్కడైనా రైతులు తమ పంటను అమ్ముకోవచ్చు. ఇందుకు రైతుల నుంచి ఎలాంటి ఛార్జీలు వసూలు చేయరు. ఇక మార్కెటింగ్, రవాణా ఖర్చులను తగ్గించి రైతు ఉత్పత్తులు మంచి ధర పొందేటట్లు చేయటం ఈ బిల్లు ఉద్దేశమని కేంద్రం చెబుతోంది. అధిక దిగుబడి ఉంటే ఆ సరుకు లేని ప్రాంతానికి వెళ్లి తమ ఉత్పత్తిని రైతులు అమ్ముకోవచ్చు. ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ట్రేడింగ్ కి ఈ బిల్లుతో కేంద్రం వెసులుబాటు కల్పిస్తోంది.